I'm going to be selling I believe this is a 1981 manual Smith Corona Galaxie Typewriter. Quickly, I'm going to go over, issues with it, minor things. Over here you can see the paint chipping away over here on one side. Over here, there's paint chips over here, some on top. And the back is not too bad, just a little bit here. Okay, go through the keys. All the keys work. This one sticks a little bit. Bell rings through the A's. That's your shift works, okay. Caps lock works, okay. One thing I didn't notice is when you retract this back, there's a little bit of an issue with it. It's doesn't retract back as well as I would like to see it. In order to get the ribbon out, probably can be fixed. It's probably a point of failure on these things. I don't like the way it was designed. Anyway, so, all the way to the end here. The bell works good. The margin setters are fine. Okay. All right. Roll the roller pretty good. It spins free on this side, and I'm not sure why, if it's supposed to do that or not. But you can roll the roller. Okay, on this side. So, piece of paper in here. And so it rolls okay. It's cockeyed here. So we can use the adjuster here to loosen it up, which works fine. The ribbon is totally shot, I'm just typing. Let's see. You can see. But I would say that the person to buy something like this would be somebody who is into vintage typewriters and not somebody who's looking for something to actually use, because it does need work. See here. But most of the other things, see, this works. Again, that works. I tried to clean it up a little bit as best as I can. So anyway, we'll jump over to the case. It comes with a case. On the bottom here, there's one screw missing over here. So here is the case. It's got the key here. It's got the with skill, packed with care, original label there. Cleaned it out a little bit. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. The top. Side, depending on how you're viewing it. Handle is in good shape. And the side or the bottom. Okay. Close a little bit so it closes. So let's go ahead. Close it. Closes up nicely. So that's that. So let's go ahead and get out some of the papers. Put this over here. And see, it's got the original papers, envelope, and we'll just take some of the stuff out of here. Okay. That to the side. You've got your owner's manual. Okay. And if you look over here, you'll see 1981. The manual's in good condition. Shows all the functionality. So that. And you've got this tips for typists, if you want to look at that. I'm not sure what this is. Now you can. Not sure what this is. Something that you could actually mail back to them. Not sure what that is. Anyway. Learn the elements of touch typing. I assume you already know how to type. Let's see here. What else we got? Replacement ribbons. What type of ribbons? What's that? Original Smith Corona service plan. Smith Corona service at these service plans, which I'm sure are not there anymore because nobody uses typewriters anymore. I doubt anybody would answer this number. So that is about it. So that's just a brief, well, hopefully brief. It's about 10 minutes, but I just wanted to go over. I'll try to cut it down to make it a little shorter. Thank you very much for looking. Take care.